Hi all, wishing you all a Thanksgiving Day, and this is Rupak. So if you're new here, my name is Rupak, and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and anything both interesting and cool. Well, today it's quite unlike as it's the Thanksgiving Day. I thought of doing a DIY. Well, as you, when I don't know what I'll be making. Sounds puzzling, right? Let me explain you. Ta-da! So here are a few chits that I made. So each of these chits contain like a few names such as color paper, books, like that. I'm just sharing for example. I need to pick two chits, and whatever is that, using that I will make a DIY related to Thanksgiving Day. Sounds interesting, right? So let me pick. Then I'm thinking, what shall I pick? So this is the first one that I'll pick. Let's see what's in it. Shapes. So a DIY using shapes. Interesting. So the first one, placing it here. Now time for the second one. Now what shall I pick? Yeah, go for this one. Let's see what's inside. Paper fans. Oh, paper fans and shapes. Quite interesting. Well, yeah, that makes an idea. So we'll be making a DIY that involves paper fans and shapes and related to Thanksgiving Day. So I got my idea. So you also go fetch the art materials. Let's get started. So we'll be doing a DIY turkey involving both paper fans and shapes. So that's my idea. So let's get started. First, let's take a red sheet of paper to make the fan. So this is half of an A4 sheet. And of course, let me tell you how to make an easy paper fan. So there are both things, like first you can do a random fold and proceed, or a first one as an equal fold, that is like using measurements. So let's measure perfectly, say a 1.5 centimeters from both the ends. So as here, let's connect them. Yeah. So now let's fold it. So for this one fold, you can use a scale properly if you want. So like this, let's crease it. Crease it well. So now we can turn it on the other side and crease it. So this is how a paper fan goes about. You need to like do folds on either sides of like this. One fold like this, one fold like this, and so on till the end. So I'm just squeezing it. So yeah, so this is a different type of challenge that I did now. But let's see whether I pull this off. Crease it well. Crease it well. And the last one. So this is how we'll be remaining with like enough extra. And this is how our fan will be. Ta-da, like this. So yeah, this is the first step of it. Let's just again bring all the folds back like this. And let me just like kind of bring it, do a pinch here. So we'll be like folding it in exactly half like this, and then you can stick it here. So you can either staple them or sticking, but I prefer sticking them. So let's get our glue sticks. So I'm applying glue here. So I apply glue and then stick it like this. Just press it like this nicely. The more you press, like more it pops up like this. So yeah, pretty much impressed with the first one, like this. So now we'll be doing the same with orange color paper and yellow color paper. There's one small difference. The thing is that this we made it into half A4 sheet. So if again repeat that, there will be one problem, that is both of them will be equal, so you can't see the color contrast. So we'll be like trimming off the edges a little bit, and then if we fold, we can see a little bit outline of red that creates a beautiful gradient effect. So yeah, let's do the similar folds using orange and yellow paper. Yellow, orange and red, all of different sizes, so I could see them. So now let's stick them. So you can apply glue here, stick it here, and then here, and then stick it at orange. Ta-da! So here it is. I'm pretty much impressed with the first part of this one. So I have used paper fans. So now the time for shapes using. So here I have a brown sheet of paper for the body of a turkey. So like, let me just draw a bit of rough lines on how big our fan is. So they have real light, they can't be seen. So yeah, like this somewhat. And then time for using this shape. So yeah, if you want you can use a compass or use freehand and draw two circles, pretty similar to a snowman, one smaller and the bottom one bigger. So yeah, the smaller circle first. Maybe for the smaller circle, if you want, you can even use a coin maybe, but that will be too small, but that's okay. So yeah, this is going to be the face of the turkey. I'm just a bit expanding the compass in order to draw the body part of it. So the thing is that should not be too big, not too small, as it will be quite equal to the circle, that is the face. And if it's too big, then it will like exceed the fan that you have made. So like this. So now you could see the turkey's face and its body is ready. So let's cut it. So I have two circles. Let's glue them up together. So the chart it said that a circle, a small rectangle, and like this. So a circle, a rectangle, and a triangle. So we have used the circle. Now time for the triangle. So I know what's in your mind. For the triangle, we'll be making the beak. So I have the beak too. So let's apply glue to the beak. And then stick it like this. So then stick it here like this. Oh, it's just pretty small. Come on, yeah. So I've just stuck it, the beak, small and a cute beak, and then the eyes. So for the eyes we are again using circle. So tada, I have my both the eyes ready. So let's stick them. So I'm just picking one eye, applying it to glue stick, and then sticking it here like this. So I made the eyes wantedly bigger cause I want to like give an attraction to it. See, it's like a bit appealing. It's like looking at us. So it's the effect that I wanna give. So it depends upon you to give a small eye or big eye. I feel that a big eye, big attraction. So a square take, triangle take, a circle take. So the triangle is bending. That gives me an idea. So tada, I made the three colors that we used to make fan. I used three colors to make the feather on top of the bird, like a kind of antenna maybe. So let's glue them too. Tada, so we have them. Shape stick and a tick for the fan. So the last part, of course, you guessed, is nothing but gluing them together. So I'm applying glue. So and then you can stick it here like this. So happy Thanksgiving Day to all. and here's a turkey, and I managed to pull that challenge off. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and in the comment section mention me more. I need to continue more of these DIYs. And here comes the cool part. So mention any 2 things and I'll use them to make my next DIY. So until then, so catch you later. Until then, bye bye.